Hello everyone and welcome to KaylayCreares. My name is Kelly and thank you for watching. So today I'm going to be doing something brand new and I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing a mini-series. Yeah, mini-series, that sounds legit, right? I'm going to be doing a mini-series and I'm going to upload a couple times this week, and I'm going to be doing different graduation looks based on the major universities in North Carolina. I currently live in North Carolina. I went to school in North Carolina, and so that's what I'm most familiar with. If you guys want me to do any other schools or anything like that, just let me know. So today I'm going to be starting with NC State because that's one of the most known ones, and I'm really excited to use this bright red. I already have my face makeup all done, and I am just going to be doing the eye looks because the face makeup's going to be staying the same. And yeah, if you want to see how I get an NC State look, just follow along. Okay, so to begin my look, I'm going to start with priming my eyes, of course. I'm going to be using my Inglot eye primer and a precision angled brush. And then for most of the colors that I'm going to be using for this look, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette because it has bright, awesome colors. Yeah. So I'm going to begin with just setting my primer with this white shade up here with a flat brush. And then next I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit with just a light brown shade here with a fluffy brush. So now that it's deepened up, I'm going to be putting a little bit of color on my eyes, and I'm going to be starting with this pink shade right here. That same fluffy brush. And blowing that out a decent amount. And then next, to get that reddish shade, I'm going to be going in with this red. Yeah. And I'm going to actually use a smaller eyeshadow brush to make sure that I really get that exactly where I want it to go. So I'm going to use that bright red little brush, little pencil brush, and really place that exactly where I want it. I'm going to put it right into my crease, not any higher. And then I'm going to blend it out with that same fluffy brush that I had the pink on. And then go back in with the red, and so on and so forth, as I build up the color to something that I want. And then I'm going to do finish up the red on the other eye, and I'll be right back to finish up the eye look. Okay, now that that red is all crazy and blended out, I'm going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm going to get out my concealer. I personally like using Tarte Shape Tape for this because it's really full coverage, and I have a really light shade. So I'm just using a little flat brush and just dipping it in here. And first I usually just dab it on my lid. just to get a little bit of coverage in the middle there. And then I do the flat line. And then I just dab it out. And then same for the other eye. And then to actually put on my lid, I'm going to be using this really shimmery white shade in my My Little Pony ColourPop palette. It's in the shade Firefly. And I'm going to be using a flat eyeshadow brush for that. So I'm going to take my setting spray, wet the brush, and dab it into Firefly. It's a really pretty white iridescent shade. And just dab that onto my lid. The shade is really crumbly, it's getting all over me. You want to be really careful along that line. Make sure that, I'm breathing it in, make sure that you keep that nice crisp line in the corner. Sweep away all the excess under my eye. And then I'm just going to blend out that edge with that same fluffy brush that I was using before. Until about 1/3 into my eye. And then for the black part of NC State's colors, I'm going to be doing a big black wing eyeliner. And I'm going to be using my NYX matte liquid liner for that. I love this stuff. I'm obsessed with this lately. And then I'm going to clean up the excess under my eye with some micellar water and a Q-tip, because that's too much for concealer to hide. And then I'm going to do some concealer, and I will be right back. And then to finish up the eyes, I'm going to be using some more red shadow. I'm going to be using that same pencil brush to just put it under my eyes. And then I'm going to be using this Milani eyeshadow. It's old as anything, and it's in the color Lily White. I've been using this forever, and I always put it in my inner corner. Really good highlighting poppy shade. I just use its little brush. And then I will add some mascara. I'm going to be using my Double Decker Lashes mascara. Okay, and that is the final look. I really like this. I think I would wear this even though I didn't go to NC State. I really like the half cut crease with the white. It's very exciting. It pops a lot. And I'm always a fan of huge winged liner. So let me know if you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, I'm actually filming a bunch of them today. So in the next couple videos, I'm going to be wearing the exact same thing, and that's why. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it really helped you out. If you are an NC State graduate, let me know down below. That's super exciting. Congratulations. If you guys are going to be using this look for anything else, totally let me know. If you have any suggestions of other schools that I should do, leave a comment. If you like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you again, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.